In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping on Ecwid as part of a comprehensive 2025 guide. Let's get started by walking you through each step to ensure you have everything set up correctly for your online store. So grab a cup of your favorite beverage and let's dive right in. First off, you want to access your Ecwid control panel. This is where all the magic happens. If you're unsure how to get there, simply open your preferred web browser and log into your Ecwid account. Once you're logged in, take a minute to familiarize yourself with the dashboard as we'll be navigating through it quite a bit. Next, we're going to focus on the left-hand side panel. You'll see various options here, but for our shipping setup, we need to click on Shipping and Pickup. This section is your hub for managing all shipping related settings and options. If you can't locate it right away, don't worry, just take a deep breath and scan through the menu. It's there. Once you click on Shipping and Pickup, you'll enter a new screen. Here, click on the Shipping tab. This tab is crucial as it guides you through creating and managing all your shipping methods. Clicking on this will open another section where we can finally add new shipping methods to your store. Now, the next action you need to take is to click on Add Shipping. This button is typically positioned toward the top or middle of the screen, making it quite easy to find. By clicking it, you'll open up a new dialog box, allowing you to input specific shipping details and customize them to fit your business needs. Once you're in the Add Shipping section, you're able to configure various parameters such as the shipping carrier, the region you want to ship to, and the costs associated with each shipment. At this point, it's essential to consider which carriers and services are most beneficial for your customers. Whether it's USPS, FedEx, or another carrier, decide what's best based on reliability and cost efficiency. So there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to setting up shipping in Ecwid. Remember, setting this up might take some time, especially if it's your first time navigating this area. But with patience and these clear instructions, you should have no trouble getting it all done. Shipping settings are crucial for your online business operation as they help define what options are available to your customers at checkout. Make sure to periodically review and test these to ensure they align with any changes in your business operations or customer expectations. Thank you for watching and happy selling. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.